breaking my heart to show you folks this, but we love him, and I've been up with him, and he died in my arms. Um, this is our baby, Moonshine. We had Moonshine for 28 plus years. I put him in here for now. I'm sorry, folks, but when we love, we love. I almost fell over. Excuse me. We love unconditionally. This is our baby. Who knows? Maybe, oh, Moonshine. We love you, baby. He was, Moonshine's 28 years old. Their average life of a cockatiel is between 17 and 20 years, so he lived such a good life. My beloved wife took good care of him for so many years with her husband Richard, and it breaks my heart. I fell in love with him. Well, folks, just wanted to share their sorrow. Had a beautiful granddaughter born the other day, the 11th, and here it is, the 13th. Actually, it's after 1 now, but our baby died here today. And I think Louis knows it. Take care, folks. Love you all. Oh, God. Love you. God bless you all, folks.